Okay guys, welcome back to the WillssFX channel. We've had a lot of support on the last few videos. You guys seem to like the videos I'm putting out at the moment, so I'm just going to carry on making a few videos a week. Yeah, we've had a lot of people come from YouTube and signing up to my VIP channel, and we're actually in a trade at the moment. It's a Euro JPY long, and I'll quickly show you the charts in a minute when I go back up to my setup, and yeah, I'll just show you that. It's about to hit take profit. Little scalp, I think it was a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward, about 32 pips. So yeah, that's about 2.6% on the account this morning, because it's very close to hitting the take profit. So yeah, we'll go and have a look at that and why I took that trade in a minute. But yeah, if you want to join the VIP, go follow my Instagram. There's always a link in the description anyway. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video to show you like how I actually trade and what I do like throughout the day and stuff, being a trader at like such a young age. So basically, on an average like trading day, I usually wake up about 6:30 in the morning. I don't actually check my trades straight away. I usually just wake up, get dressed and everything, like get ready, go down, have some breakfast, and then at 7 o'clock I check my trades. And obviously this morning, as it's a Monday, I didn't actually place any trades last night for the open. But yeah, I saw that Euro JPY was coming to one of my zones, and yeah, as I'll show you in a minute, it looked perfect position, which I'd actually planned out on the weekend when I was actually doing my weekly outlook on the weekend, ready for this week trading. I did actually see this setup occurring, and yeah, it played out, and I think we're close to our take profit, so we'll have a look at that in a minute. But yeah, at 7 I check the charts, and I usually just have a little click through all my watch list. I have about 4 or 5 pairs on there that I focus on mostly. But if you have like 10-15 different pairs, you won't be able to like master any pairs if you just focus on so many different ones. You might miss moves because you'll be on like 1 or 2 pairs, focusing on them for a moment, and then one of your other pairs could like make a move to one of your zones and you'll miss it. But if you focus on, let's say, 3 or 4 pairs and you just master them, you can have them open on all screens so you know what's happening with all of them, where their key zones are. Yeah, you'll be able to profit from pretty much every move they make. But yeah, after I've checked the charts, I usually go down into the garage. I've got some weights and stuff. I usually do a quick workout, probably like 45 minutes to an hour, depending on what workout I'm actually doing. Today was triceps and shoulders, so I did that. Then I jumped in the shower, and that was to about 8 o'clock. So at 8 o'clock, I then get dressed again, and I'm back on the charts, preparing, just practicing pretty much, filling in my journals every day for what I'm actually doing this day. Like I wrote down, entered Euro JPY trade, and then I wrote down why I entered it, when my stop loss was placed and stuff like that. So I'd recommend journaling for every single person that trades, and if you're not a trader anyway, because you can obviously look back on the journal. So say like on the weekends, I look back at the previous week of trading, like what did I do wrong on this trade, what did I do wrong here, did I wake up late this day and miss a trade? So it helps you become disciplined like in yourself. It helps you develop yourself as well, not just in your trading but in like your general life. I found that it actually helps in your trading quite a lot, because you see where you make your mistakes, and I also log all my trades on a spreadsheet as well, with before and after screenshots, and a little note next to each one. So say, you know, maybe I entered a bit too early on this one, and price came down and then pushed up, stuff like that. But yeah, it's just constantly improving yourself in your trading, and in your general life. And even if you're just improving a little bit every day, small consistent growth or small consistent profits in trading terms, it all adds up, and yeah, the more skills you have over time, the more money you'll make in trading. But if you just focus on money straight away, get rich quick, you'll never have money in trading. So I was actually on the charts for a bit. I was getting some video ideas prepared and checking out what has been working on my channel. So it is now about 10:30. I'm probably gonna grab a snack and go back up to the charts, and I'll show you the Euro JPY trade I actually took. So yeah, let's go up to the charts and have a look at the setup. So yeah, as you see, the trade is about to hit the take profit. So I'll quickly go on the charts, share my screen with you, and yeah, I'll take you through this trade. Okay guys, so we're actually on the charts now, and as you see, if we go on to the higher time frame on the 4 hourly, as you see here, price actually did create a double top here, and price did drop about 100 pips or so. And this area here of resistance, very strong resistance, as you see it broke through here, retested, couldn't break above this resistance here 3 times, and then basically started consolidating in here, broke back into this channel here to create, well, this could actually be a triple top here, and obviously we had this drop down last week into, we had a fake out here. Obviously a lot of sellers probably entered the market here, and price wicked down, sellers entered, and price came back up and took the sellers out of the market. So there's probably a lot of money in there, a lot of liquidity. So yeah, as we see, price actually opened last night at this area here. As you look on the 1 hour, price bullish engulfing on the first hourly candle, straight up past all these previous candles into this channel here, where we've had a lot of trading in the past week or so. As you see, price actually came back, wicked down to this area down here or at the support, and rallied up. But yeah, when we saw the charts this morning, we saw on the we're looking on the 30 minutes. We were looking for a fairly short-term trade, and what I noticed was this area here had been tested twice, and as you see, this very indecisive candle, and it was a sign that the buyers have taken control. You could say this is a double bottom, as we see price rejected it there and there again, which created a nice little mini support on the 30 minutes. And yeah, we went down to the 15 minutes to get an entry. As we see, price started pushing above these previous candles here, which was a little bit of consolidation. And yeah, price carried on up, and when it closed above this level here, the previous highs, I knew that price was going to carry on going up. And it was actually a 1 to 2.6 risk to reward, only risked 12 pips to make 32. Price just came very close to our take profit here, about 0.4 pips off. So hopefully we can see a push up. As you see here, very bullish at the moment. We had a little pullback here to this 124 area. And as you know, round numbers can act as key levels in the markets. And as you see, price is now going to hopefully push up and hit the take profit. We're about 2 pips off hitting the take profit. Obviously, it's a good start to the Monday morning. So after this trade, I'll just look at the other charts and other pairs. I only really focus on GBP AUD, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, and Euro Pound. These 3 pairs at the bottom, I don't really trade, but I just keep an eye on them just in case I see something. But these 4 are the main ones I trade. I don't really trade gold anymore. I just look at gold because I just want to know what's going on in the markets. So say I see a perfect setup on another pair that I don't usually trade, I could still trade it. Obviously, it's not one of the pairs I usually trade, but obviously profit is profit. And if you see a perfect opportunity lining up, then you just got to take the risk. And even if it's just 0.5% of the account risk. But yeah, anyway, the trade is about to hit the take profit, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, as you see, we're up on this trade. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but entry was down here, price is now up here. Yeah, about to hit our take profit, which is obviously a good start to the week. Put this trade in my journal in a minute, in my Excel spreadsheet, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I've showed this on the channel before, but I'll quickly show you how I actually log all my trades. I'll just show you, yeah, this is an example of how I actually log my trades. As you see, this is actually my back testing log, but I do the same for my actual trades, which I'll show you after I've actually logged that other trade. I do a section for every different week, so obviously there's no point showing you this week of my trading because I've only had one trade so far this week, so it'll be very, very empty. But as you see, I have the pair, if I went long or short, when I entered the trade, when I exited, how big my stop loss was, did I win or lose the trade, how many confluences there were in the trade. I got a lot of questions about grade and confluences, and I'll just show you an example of this. So on this trade, as you've probably seen, I said about the price was creating higher highs, higher lows, pushing up. Obviously that's one sign that's in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. So we count that as one confluence or confirmation, depends what you want to call it. And as you see, we have this double bottom here, which is obviously a sign that price is going to carry on going bullish. So that was confluence number 2. And as we see, price was actually created a bullish engulfing here, which wiped out all the previous candles here, and it carried on creating higher highs and higher lows. As you see, this impulsive move up towards our take profit, which we'll hopefully hit now. But yeah, that's what a confluence is. I have the before screenshot and the after screenshot, and as I said earlier, I have notes on all my losses. So as you see, retraced to the 0.618, then reversed 80 pips. So I probably entered too early on that one. I didn't wait for the full rejection on the Fibonacci, which I usually draw, and then it obviously went 80 pips into profit. As you see, we have a pretty good win rate. We're trying to get that up a bit more, because obviously everything, as you see, all these notes here can be put into action. There's no point writing notes on what I did wrong without actually improving my trading from it. But yeah, that's why I write the notes, so I can look back and notice that a lot of trades I've actually entered too early. So I know now to actually wait for more confirmations before entering a trade. As you see on this trade, we did actually have only one confluence or grade. So that wasn't actually the best trade to actually take. That's probably why it didn't win. I will let you know if I enter any other trades today, and I'll catch up with you when I have lunch. So yeah, hopefully this trade hits a take profit. Okay guys, so I told you I'd see you when I get my lunch, and as you see, nice ham toasty here and a banana. So yeah, that'll keep me going for a few hours. My trade did actually hit the take profit, so that was about 32 pips on that trade. So now I'm just going to update my Telegram channel on any potential trades I see, and then do some research, and yeah, do a bit of back testing just to better my trading, and yeah, watching a bit of WillssFX on YouTube. I'd say they're the best Forex channel on YouTube at the moment. Show losses, wins, everything. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm going to get back onto the chart and see if I can find any other positions. Obviously, I'm not going to force any positions that I'm already up for the day, so I don't want to obviously wipe out all my losses just because I want to make another trade. So yeah, I'm going to eat this and then get back to work. Yeah, as you see, price here wicked up, and now we're looking for a drop down here. But yeah, we got a little stop, 1 to 4.25 risk to reward, so we'll see how this one plays out. It's currently floating around break even. But yeah, we'll see how this one plays out. But yeah, we haven't actually found many positions today, only the 2. Obviously the first one hit the take profit, so if this one hits take profit, then it'll be probably done for the week, because if we catch around 230 pips, then that will be a good amount on the account. Yeah, it will be up about 6% for the week if this hits the take profit. So obviously that's a good amount to be up per week from trading. Yeah, but let's just see how this one plays out. It's currently pushing up into a bit of drawdown. But yeah, I'll let you know what happens with this trade, and if I don't close it in the next few days and I keep it running, I'll also let you know. But yeah, 3:30. And I've just entered my second position of the day. Okay, so it's about 6 o'clock now. we are actually still in this gold trade, but price isn't really wanting to drop at the moment. It's currently consolidating in a little zone, and I'm actually using my 10 to £1,000 account, so I don't want to show the balance, but as you see, we are currently down about £7. I did risk quite a lot on this trade, as the 10 to 1,000 series that I've been doing has actually been taking quite a while, and although I've been getting consistent gains of like £2-3 per trade, I just don't think people want to see like 100 episodes before I get to like 1,000. So I've stepped up the risk a little bit more on this trade, and my take profit is actually around 200 pips. So if we can come down to that area, the account will obviously go up around 100 or so pounds because we're using a 0.05 lot size. But yeah, hopefully this trade plays out. I'll quickly show you what we're working with here. But yeah, as you can probably see, price actually came 0.2 pips away from the stop loss, came down, started creating lower highs and lower lows, which yeah, I thought, you know, this is going to drop now because it created a downtrend on the lower time frames, but actually it bounced off this little support here back up to this resistance, which is rejected once, twice, 3 times, and this is the 4th rejection. So hopefully now I'm predicting a drop down. Once we break below 1910, then I see the drop down to around 1889 area. But until then, we'll just be monitoring this trade. I mean, if it hits the stop loss, we'll be about £20 down, £22, £23 down. But yeah, obviously I don't advise trading like this with big lot sizes on small accounts. I'm obviously just doing it for the entertainment. And obviously there will be a 10 to 1,000 episode 4, I think it is, coming soon. So yeah, I'm actually gonna have dinner soon. So if I do anything before then, I'll let you know. But if not, I'll have my dinner, and then I usually come back onto the charts, see what's happening. Usually watch a little bit of YouTube or something like that. But yeah, hopefully the trade plays out, and I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, so the time now is about 10 to 10. I'm currently still in this gold trade. I was actually 20 pips in profit. It started coming down, moving down to the downside, creating lower lows, lower highs. But it actually just had a bullish engulfing on the 15 minutes. But on the higher time frames, I still see that it's in a downtrend. So hopefully this trade can play out and we can make a bit of profit on this one. But yeah, I'm just going to hold it. If it hits stop loss, hit stop loss. But yeah, we'll see how it goes into tomorrow. If obviously we wake up in profit, or wake up with take profit a hit for that 230 pips, then it'll be happy days obviously. But yeah, we'll just see how it goes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little day in the life video. And yeah, just like and subscribe if you enjoyed obviously. And I'll see you in the next video.